What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with
Hey y'all,
DecoExchange.
I think
Y'all,
I'm
we've
live.
got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
All right, so we are using the independent peak ring again. This time, slightly different. We are adding our pipe cleaner around the top two holes, bottom two holes, top two, bottom two, over and over again. All right, so we've got 16 total pipe cleaners on our frame. So our mesh divided by 16 is about 22 inches. So let's get our mesh cut. All right, so we're gonna cut our mesh about 21 to 21 and a half to 2 inches. Just as long as we stay below the 22-inch line, we should be good. All right. Take it, fold each in just a little. Give it a good ruffle down the middle. And we're gonna add these in every twist tie. Get it nice and tight. All right, we've got all of our ruffles on the outside. So we did a 21 to 22 inch ruffle on the outside. Now we're gonna do a 22 inch ruffle on the inside. All right, last one. We're just gonna fluff it out a little bit. All right, let's get our sign ready. So we're gonna use this one here. All right, let's put a little bit of our rapid fuse super glue on all four corners. Y'all, I'm gonna get my sign mounted down here in the back corner. Bottom corner. All right, so I am attaching from this corner first, over here to this corner. All right, then we're gonna attach this corner and this corner. So we've got our 10 by 10 sign on here. Y'all, now we're gonna build this out just like we do a grapevine wreath. So So we're just using the mesh as our base. We're going to build out with our pine, give ourselves a nice bow, and that's it. All right, so we're gonna start with a plain pine, nothing on it, nothing special. Y'all, we're just going to wire it right in to the pipe cleaners that are there. Y'all, I'm gonna trim this down. You don't need all that on there. All right. Now we're gonna use another piece and go the opposite direction. All right, and we're gonna go with one more right down this way. Y'all, all I'm doing is securing that pine down in the pipe cleaners that we use to attach the mesh with. Y'all, then I've got this pine that's got gold glitter on it, which is going to highlight the gold in our sign. Grab the stem cutter. Y'all, we do have stem cutters back in stock. All right, I'm just gonna work this right on top of the pine that we put in there. All right. So far, that's what we're working with. All right, let's get our bow done. All right, let's get some gold in here. I'm gonna use gold on the middle layer so that it doesn't stick out too much. My loops are just gonna get a little bit smaller. All right, let's get this off and tied up. Make sure you get it pushed down tight. And as you're twisting, make sure you're pulling that ribbon away from you. All right, let's get our bow in here. All right, let's get these dovetailed. So I want to get some more of the ribbon tails down here to fill in this way, and potentially one up this way. I want about a 32-inch tail. This is 35. All right, so we're gonna measure about 12 inches. We're gonna give it a little pinch. We're going to measure out about 14 inches. Give that a little pinch. Fold it over. Fold the ribbon in the back around. And now we have a little fake loop and some tails. To that, I'm gonna add just tails of the other ribbons. All right, so that we have this fun little bundle. Now, instead of adding another pipe cleaner, let's look and see if we can find one that we can just tie it off into that's already on here. All right, so we just made the whole bow look bigger than it was. Let's get a little bit of tails coming out the top. Y'all, on the top, we're just gonna put tails. All right, for this one, I am going to scrunch my ribbon all together and throw a zip tie on it. Y'all, the zip tie is gonna have a little bit better grip. Under that zip tie, I'm gonna just shoot a little bit of hot glue. That way we know it doesn't fall off. All right, and then I'm gonna add this right into the pipe cleaner, right behind that zip tie to hold it in place. All right, I'm gonna cut down pipe cleaners that I can see around here. All right, y'all, now I'm gonna take just some frosted filler and we're just gonna glue this right in to give it another layer of depth. All right, so I've added some of those up here at the top. Now I'm gonna add a few down towards the bottom so that it all looks like it kind of goes together. All right, y'all, can you guys see the texture in this? That's what I'm going for. Y'all, the sign is at DecoExchange.com. All right. You guys have a good night. Bye, y'all.